Today we will be going through the Newton-Raphson method for iteration for AQA A-Level Maths Chapter 24. This iterative formula is used to find the tangent to a function at a point x0. The formula for this is xn plus 1 equals xn minus fx of n over the differentiated form of fxn. So an example question is, with the starting point of x0 equals minus 2, find the root of f of x equals x cubed minus 3x plus 5 correct to 5 decimal places. So the first thing you do here is differentiate f of x to give you f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 3. You then put it all into the formula above, so this gives you xn plus 1 equals xn minus xn cubed minus 3xn plus 5 divided by 3xn squared minus 3. To find the iterations, you then use your value of x0 equals minus 2 given to you in the question. And to find x1, you substitute minus 2 into the formula where xn is. So this gives you minus 2 minus 2 cubed minus 3 times minus 2 plus 5 divided by 3 minus 2 squared minus 3 equals minus 7 over 3. You then repeat this process to find x2, x3, x4 and x5, etc. And to find the root, you carry on doing this process until your answers stop changing. So in this example, x4 and x5 remain the same, so you know that your root is minus 2.27902 to 5 decimal places. Here is a second example. So I'll give you 20 seconds, but you can pause the video if you need longer, and I'll then work through how to solve it. Okay, so for this question, you'd firstly, again, differentiate f of x to give you f prime of x equals 4x cubed minus 6x squared. You then substitute that all into the formula again to get xn plus 1 equals xn minus xn to the 4 minus 2xn cubed minus 5 divided by 4xn cubed minus 6xn squared. To find the iterations, you then use your value of x0 from the question, which is 2.5. And then to find x1, you'd substitute this into the formula again to get 2.5 minus 2.5 to the 4 minus 2 times 2.5 cubed minus 5 divided by 4 times 2.5 cubed minus 6 times 2.5 squared. And this gives you 2.3875. And like in the previous example, you then continue doing this until your values of x no longer change. And for this example, it's between x3 and x4, which are both 2.373799. So therefore, your value of x is 2.3738 to 5 significant figures. This is how you use the Newton-Raphson method to find tangents at a point x0. And this can be done for any equation that you can differentiate. However, if you can't, then you can't use the Newton-Raphson method for this formula. So that's one thing that you need to be aware of. But I hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.